What up? What up? What up? What up? Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Oh my goodness. It's GLOBEX. The first GLOBEX stream of the week, actually, if you can believe it. Oh my. What's shaking, baby? What a crazy drop. I mean, not right now. NQ is kind of. Nice. Just got moved to live on MFFU. Nice. I got my my Lucid Pro accounts that I can trade. That's all I'm willing to trade in GLOBEX right now. I'm watching the book map here. The London lows are coming up. Do you think that we can pierce these London lows and get a little kooky? Trading up towards 68.56 here. Makes me wonder if we can get cracking down towards 8.10, or if this is going to be the same old that we've been presented with. If we can break that London low, we've been kind of bouncing there. Congratulations to Annie Mesh. Let's go, baby. Let's go. You can see right here, we just keep bouncing the London lows. We've been doing that pretty much. We did it again. Just bouncing at the London lows. Insane. Just got bookmapped today. It's like trying to read the Matrix. Amen, brother. It's a learned experience. I never said it was easy, but boy, howdy, is it something. It's fun. It's definitely something. It's definitely interesting, to say the least. We did push back up to the 4-hour mid here. Curious if we can, let's see if we can catch something down here. What happened? Where's my thing? There we go. See if we can catch something down and maybe look at breaking that London low at all. If we bump up towards that previous 4-hour mid again, I want to look at probably getting out of this. But we'll see. We've had some interesting opportunities in GLOBEX as of late. The fills you get in GLOBEX are just nasty. Boy, they're nasty. 68.60 is the level that I'm watching here in the S&Ps. If we do stay weak below 68.60, I think that we can see a nice little roll here. Bookmap on a vertical monitor is a must in my opinion when scalping. It's very nice. Yeah, it is quite nice. You're not wrong about that. If we could break down below 68.55 as well, that would be another area to watch. It's just about challenging this London low in the NASDAQ and seeing that Meta is weak. Nvidia is starting to show some weakness here too. See if we can take it down and break that London low. Be lovely. Extra, extra lovely. Super duper lovely. Not a lot of people pushing. Let's see if we get through this 810 area. Yeah, we got that nice little push. I don't like that rejection though. That London low rejection. We swept London low, but we're getting a little bit of a rejection. There we go. Again, why are they guarding 800 with their lives here? Isn't that crazy? Stopped out. They're guarding 800 with their lives there. It's crazy. These folks are cantankerous. They're out of their mind. Well, that's why we use stops. At least we got a little bit of profit. What a waste of time that was. Come down, you tease me, you tickle my balls, you get it under London low, you make me feel all warm and tickly. And then you hit my stop. What the hell? What are you doing? What are you doing? Take me out to a nice steak dinner? You whisper sweet nothing into my ear and tickle my balls with a feather underneath the table. You gave me all the inclination that it was going to go down. And then right when the check came, you went to the bathroom and you never came back. What the hell? Why did you do that to me, NQ? I thought I was gonna bust. This whole time. I even had a moist towelette ready. Damn thing robbed me. Dude. NQ went and came and robbed me at gunpoint. Well, I guess I'm happy we stopped out. I guess. You know, is that should I be happy about being stopped out? I don't know, maybe. That was a violent rejection. You see that on Bookmap? Those bidders underneath the 800 were very upset about that price. That's what you get for messing around in the London lows. Tell me about it. I feel violated. I feel darn right violated. What's up, Sohan? You don't mess with the Sohan. Hi, Rips. YouTube started suggesting your shorts, and I really like them. Hold on. You mean the ones with the screaming demons on them? Those shorts? Oh, I should have finished reading it. Oh, I see what you're saying. The videos. Your tips have been really helping me a lot. That's what my wife says. My mental capital is getting better every day. That's amazing. Give it up for Danny. I love to hear that. My man. Sorry to be from the bottom, people, but is the theta data the best for you, or did you find some better option? You know, there's a theta data is fucking close to my sauce, dude. How do you know about theta data? I don't like that you know about that. Is that like, I thought theta data was still kind of a secret. I don't like how you know that. How do you know about that, man? You're not supposed to know about that. Theta data is goated, man. A lot of people don't even know about theta data. It's crazy. They're goated. Wait, did I talk about them before? There's no way that I actually said that out loud, is there? God, dude. I mean, I should have never said that one out. Crazy. What's up, Morals Matters? Morals Matter. I'm good, man. I'm still sick, trying to fight my way through it with positivity, kindness, and good energy. I did on Topside one time. Fuck. Damn. Have you been using it? You plug into their API. It's good stuff if you put it in the right direction and you twist the right knobs and stuff. Be careful. That's funny. Wow. I think I remember that exact episode, and I was like, oh shit. It's right. It's fine in the right hands. Am I drunk? Drunk on positivity, baby. That's always a good thing when your stream audience asks, hey man, are you drunk? Fucking hammered, bro. Didn't spell exactly, but I knew. I hope that you've been putting it to good use. Those who know, know. Those who don't can go and eat a dick. Weed is legal. I mean, isn't weed legal everywhere now? Pretty much everywhere. It's legal everywhere. I'm not a, what are they called? The smoker people? I don't know what they call them nowadays. I'm not one of them. What's up, Greg? How are you? Illinois is legal downtown. Dude, you know what's funny is that we go to the strip, you can smell it. You can smell the weed on the strip. It's something fierce. It's not like how it was back in the day. It's too strong now. Way too strong. Weed monkey, is that what they're called? The strip weed smells trash. Yeah, it's not great. Yeah, I'm excited it's Friday, and I'm also excited it's a long weekend. I'm taking my wife out for 2 Valentine's Days. Can you imagine? Because one isn't enough. They had to put it on a Saturday, so I'm taking her out tomorrow. I think I give her a gift tomorrow. I think she wanted it one day early. Drive around Sumter SC with your windows down, about 1 in 3 vehicles, someone smoking weed. Isn't that illegal? Smoking and driving, isn't that a DWI? Uncle says, love that positivity, man. How to disconnect from outcome of trading. I'm down bad this month and lost another funded account today at open, and this is overtaking me. I know the feeling, man. I fought with it for 2 years. Okay, think about it this way. I know this is gonna be weird, but follow me along on this one, Uncle. If I could tell you that 3 years from now, you're gonna have trading so under wraps and in your hands that you're gonna be God tier level of trading. I'm not saying this is true, but I'm just saying go with me on this fantastic voyage in your mind. How would you feel if you knew for certain that you had the skill of trading, that you were so confident in yourself, that you knew that you were a consistently profitable trader? Would you be as stressed out as you are today about your losses? And would you be trading the way that you're trading today with that mindset? I don't think you would be. Because when I have a loss, I don't care. Because the skill of trading doesn't leave me. This is my 12th year of trading. I've proven to myself over and over and over at this point that I can do trading. I can do the trading thing. But losses don't bum me out. Big losses do bum me out, but not in the way that they used to. Big losses used to cripple me. Because I was desperate to be the trader that I wanted to be that I wasn't yet. Right? So like early on in my career, it was crippling for me to go through that because I was so desperate that I wanted to be good at this thing that was trading. So for me personally, now when I have a loss, like my last biggest loss was $200,000 in a single session, I experienced that loss and I kind of shook it off. And then within 3 days, I had made it back and then some. But if you think about it, I wasn't trying to make back the big loss. I wasn't having this mindset in my head where I was so terrified by like, boy, how am I going to fix this or whatever. I'm so comfortable in my own trading skin right now that, you know, and it's been that way for years that I don't really think about it like that anymore. If I have a loss, I have a loss. In the moment, it can suck, right? I'm not going to pretend that I don't go on tilt. I'm not a robot, but it doesn't affect me in that way where it ruins everything, right? And so your question was, you know, how do you disconnect from the outcome? You have to spend enough time doing this to where the result of a single trade doesn't matter because you're cognizant of the idea that you have thousands of trades in your career, thousands, if not tens of thousands of trades during your career. If you're a scalper, you're going to have tens of thousands of trades. I should ask AMP how many trades I had on AMP last year. I should get that data. Well, I could probably just tally up all of my broker statements and figure out number of contracts I traded. Be interesting to see, but I would say at least hundreds and hundreds of trades, but I don't think thousands. Say under 1,000 trades, probably under 500 trades now that I think about it. But anyway, it's not a big deal, right? If you're thinking about it in like, this is make or break, oh, I have these bills due, I have this and I have that, it makes it almost impossible to succeed. That's why it's like, I get questions like from people, they're like, I just want to get trading down so I can quit my job. That's not a good way to get at it, because if you get good at trading and you get to a point where you're like, okay, I want to quit my job, you're going to be confronted with this whole thing. You go on a losing streak, because they happen. Losing streaks happen. You're going to get confronted with that, and all of a sudden you're going to be sitting there and you're going to be scratching your head and being like, what am I supposed to do? I got no income. This is all I'm relying on. What a nightmare. Trading is one of those things where it's like the harder that you push on it, the harder it pushes back on you. It's very difficult, but the less you care about the outcome of it, the better off you do, right? Last year, when I was trading my live account every single day, live on stream, one of the things that I always preached and what I talked about is that I don't know how much I'm going to make today. Some days were better than others. Obviously, as the account scaled, I scaled into trades. I took more size. I took more risk. But as time went on, you know, it went up, but I didn't have like a specific goal, right? I wasn't saying like, you know, Oh, I got to do X, Y, and Z. The tax form they sent, it just has the dollar amount. It doesn't have the, let me see. I don't think it has the number of trades. Let me see it just has my dollar amount. Let me log in. Yeah, I'm almost positive it doesn't have, hold on. Yeah, I don't think they have the number of trades in the tax statement. It's just the dollar amount at the end. All right, tax documents. Let's see. No, it just has the dollar amount. That's it. It's just one page, has the dollar amount. That's it. 1099B, regulated futures contracts. Blah. There you go. Anyway, no, it doesn't have, it just has the dollar amount. It doesn't say the number of trades, but I'm sure I could, you know, look at each broker statement. Anyway, whoops, why did that close? What in the world? What are you doing? I was looking at a broker statement and it closed the whole thing. Sorry about that. There we go. It's Friday the 13th and CPI is up. Rumors talking about Black Friday. Well, I mean, sure, I'd be here for it. It'd be great. It'd be a lot of fun. I love a good market crash because it means that it's going to go up. Same thing. Markets go up, markets go down. Who cares? Unless, you know, you got a long-term portfolio, and then you're kind of like, I wish NVIDIA was back over 200, you know? Does anyone know when TPT updates trading days by chance? It's usually in the next 2 hours. Like when you want to get your payout and all that, it's usually within the next 2 or 3 hours. Nightbot is on Adderall 100%. Yes. Uncle says, hell no, and I try every day to say to myself to stop overtrading, etc. Still end up doing it. I'm close to 3 years into it, and this stresses me somehow even more. You have a lot of expectations set up for yourself. Yeah, I'll be trading New York Open tomorrow. I'll be live here on YouTube, baby. Trading it together. So, yeah, I will be here. This little peak and perk above 850 seems kind of nice to target. Given we are seeing a little buying from Meta, Microsoft, and NVIDIA here. Did TPT end up correcting the issues you had with that? It's still pending. Still pending. I want to get a 50K, but want to know if they did right. I mean, damn, I should have taken that. It's still pending. They're still going to get back to me, I guess. So, what do you mean with expectations? Your expectations are very high on yourself. You're sitting here and you're like, oh man, I'm 3 years in. I should be doing this by now, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You need to stop that. You need to knock that off. That's what's getting kind of in the way of your stuff. So yeah, I would say if you're managing your expectations and you're not putting all of this weight on yourself to perform, I think you're going to do better. Going back to how well I did with my live account last year, my AMP account, it was because I didn't have high expectations, and people were telling me, they're like, "Oh, you're gonna get $2 million in your balance." I was like, "Yeah, good one." I was like, "Sure, dude, whatever." And I honestly wasn't gunning for it, and I smashed that goal. Smashed it. Do you see Top Step new rules? No, I did not. I don't trade on Top Step. I haven't traded on Top Step for a long, long time. I haven't traded on Top Step in over a year. I was a partner with Top Step for about 2 years, right? I was on their show every day, but I haven't traded on them because I've been trading on all these other firms, so I can give you guys honest reviews. When I traded on Top Step, I had no issues with them, so I will always say I think Top Step is a fantastic firm. I have no recent history with trading with Top Step, at least for a year now. But I think they're great. I think it's a great firm, personally. Is this thing still just chunking down? I'm trying to look for a bounce. We're right at VWAP. There's somebody selling the pants off this thing now, too. I'm looking for shorts, but it's not giving me a chance for a good entry here yet. The trade of 8 fills are not that great, in my opinion. They're great when you have a big amount of contracts to close, but outside of that, it's just not that great. They seem to like fill you at the worst possible spot. All right, some more algorithms turning on here. Time is it? 6:22. Going to sleep in Germany. Wish you a nice day. See you tomorrow at Open. God bless. Thanks, man. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow. What? How do you say good night in German? Guten Nighten. What is it? Gute Nacht. I can't say that right. Gut Nacht. Gute Nacht. I'm probably saying it wrong. Just sounds like I'm sick, so I'm trying to say goodnight. Wow, there's 102 on the bid there, and they're gone. Gute Nacht. Okay. Thank you. Good and tight. You must have been there for the stream this morning. What's good, Rips? Have you ever used MACD crossovers indicator way back, but not anytime recently? Back, dude, I had so many indicators on my chart back in the day. I had like the squeeze indicator, TTN squeeze, MACD, RSI, EMAs. Like, bro, you couldn't even see where the price was. It was like really funny. If you look at my old charts, dude, it actually was really funny. That's the great thing about Thinkorswim was the number of indicators you could have on a chart. I had so many. I had all of the indicators on my chart. I just liked all of the colors and stuff. It was so cool. I felt like I was a real trader. I was just didn't know what I was doing, obviously. But no, those strategies can work. I think any strategy can work as long as you have a good risk management strategy that backs it. You know, like if your risk management is there, I think you do well with any strategy. MACD good for small caps, yeah. I was using Bookmap on small caps before anybody else was using it. It is goated. All right, I'll be right back. I got to take some Dayquil really quick. Be right back. All right, back. I'm on that scissor, dude. I'm on that Dayquil scissor. It's delicious, but I need it. This freaking cold will not go away. It's awful. It's horrible. Oh, somebody did the Rips GLOBEX post. I gotta retweet that now. Dude, what do you guys think of the new dark thing in X? It's horrible, bro. It's so bad. Trader Slava, here we go. Bang. If you are watching GLOBEX right now, feel free to tag me and I will repost you. So this is the YouTube chat. What up, AG? You made your way into YouTube chat. Coveted YouTube chat land. Back in high school, we used to chug Robitussin. Good old Tussin. My X has always been all black. Dude, I can't do it. I want dim mode back. I need dim mode back. This is terrible. I just, like, dude, I can't deal with it. This is crazy, bro. I need to, like, turn off. I have local dimming on. That's my problem. So it makes some of the font look kind of fucked up on my end, unfortunately. It's kind of annoying. But what are you going to do? Really is nothing going on in NQ right now. I'm just looking here. We can go to this screen over here. I want to see us interact back into this consolidatory area here. Ideally, somewhere in this chunk. But I want to see us rejecting that, right? So I'd like to see us, I mean, I don't know how long it would take if we get up here, but wicking across these highs here and then rejecting. That would be a nice little short. I'm not seeing like any buying power in equities right now. They're all just pretty docile. And like if there was people who were wanting to buy them, you'd see it. Nobody's buying anything. Microsoft had a late day rally, which kind of gave us this, right? It made for this little move right here. Oh my God. That move right here, that was caused by Microsoft, but that was everything else selling off. Microsoft did sell off towards the end of the day, added to that pressure, but Nvidia selling off, Tesla selling off, Google selling off after an early day spike. Just really not much interest in buying right now. I mean, gold went crazy to the downside today. Anybody catch this gold drop? Anybody catch this thing? I did not catch a single dollar of this at all. Click the little raindrops in X in the upper right and switch back to the old theme. Wait, what? Is this real? What raindrops are we talking about, first of all? Huh? Is TPT limiting metals? Not that I'm aware of, no. What are you talking about? What raindrops? Silver's pumping right now? It is. Wow, look at that. I guess we would watch the book map for that. It's a tad more exciting. Oh yeah, look at how thin that is though. It's crazy. These moves, dude, are just so insane. It's so insane. How many contracts was that? 84 only. You know Ripsy's not there. Next to layout. On X? Are we talking about X right now? I'm talking about Twitter, X. That's all I'm talking about is X. I don't know if we're talking about the same thing. I'm not talking about Project X. I'm talking about the social media platform X. Sorry. I'm talking about x.com/ribs. Sorry. Should have made that clear. Today's price action caught me off sides. Which part of it? Were you one of the folks who was trying to long? Yeah, Project X. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about X, the platform X, as in x.com. What's going on in gold? Gold too. Wow. Bit of a launch there in gold. Also, I don't think Lucid is restricting metals, is it? I think Lucid, Tradeify, and TPT are all your chill, right? Am I wrong about this? Saw somebody tried longing the whole day. Oof, that's nasty. So you can still trade metals on Lucid, TPT, and Tradeify. Clubhouse. Yeah, look at silver, still going crazy over here. My God, it's crazy because these bounces are on like there's just no liquidity. This is 56 contracts here. Imagine if you have 100 on, and you're trying to cover. Like this guy gets in front of you. You like trying to snipe 100 right here. This guy gets in front of you. Now what? You're holding 100 short from like, let's say, I mean, you couldn't even have 100 short, but good old thin metals, man. You guys have no idea how good you have it in props where it's like, you don't have to worry about liquidity. Your whole life can change on this type of liquidity if you're trading size. Yeah, no, I have lights out turned on. I just missed the dim setting. That's all. They removed the dim setting, which is annoying. I want the dim setting back. Dim sum. I don't understand why they removed it. And it's the same thing on the app. I updated the app today and now it's gone. It's horrible. It's terrible. You got the demo on mobile? Well, don't update your app because it'll disappear faster than your prom date's pants on prom night. It's terrible. It is no good. This is a pretty uneventful GLOBEX as far as index futures go. There might be a trade if we can get up to like 62 and then find some rejection up there. Kind of being on guard for that. It's looking like the end of the abyss with dark mode. I hate it. I don't like it. Yeah, TPT is nasty. I highly recommend TPT, but do mind yourself that when you go to the pro accounts, those have the trailing drawdown. But it's not that hard to get out of if you choose to trade on micros. Like, oh man, I was just about to pick up my controller here. It's like, man, can we just get a little popper over there? I'm looking for shorts here. I'd like to get a little pop. Just give me a nice little pop, like just above that 50. Sweep that 72 player. That's what I'd like to see. You know what I mean? Dark mode is good for your eyes. Not when the text is blistering white. It's horrible, man. It's horrible. Somebody's really trying to chase an order down in this book right now? Nah, man, fuck. God. I hate when I see them and then they do it and then I didn't press the button yet. I wanted one little tick upside there. Golly. Well, hopefully somebody got it with me saying they're trying to chase down the order in the book here. Man, they're really offloading this for some reason. Let's try this through 800. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, sure. I'll snipe that. Bookmap froze, so I had to cover. Yeah, they're really hammering this thing now. I mean, I'm not sure if... I'm looking for like one little tick back up here before we can snap this thing down to 70. See if they can pick this up at all here. Watching for 70s to trade now. Watching for a bounce to maybe, wow, 95-ish? That was not the bounce I was looking for. My God, what happened? I'm looking at Bookmap and I looked at my P&L. How? Trying this again. Underneath 800. How did that happen? The hell was that bounce? All right, let's see if we can hold this underneath 800 here. What was that bounce though? Looking for this to hold underneath 800. Hello? I feel like when I'm pressing the button, my ads are not like they're happening, but then they're happening so slowly. So confused what is happening here with Tradebait. It like added very, very late into that position, which I'm not a huge fan of. Yikes. That added very, very late into that position. Not a huge fan of what happened here. Well, that was fun. Unexpected, but fun, I suppose. Back at 800 here. S&Ps are dancing too. And stopped out. Well, damn. Ugh, that did not work out at all. Jesus. I want to go back and watch that. What the hell happened there? Like it was adding down there and then it didn't add anymore and then it added more. Like what is that? Jesus. That was awful. I hit my max loss. That was awful. Anybody else catch that? That was a great sell-off. It's just terrible execution. What in the world was that? Like I'm pressing the I don't know what happened. I'm pressing the button, it's not adding, and then it decides to add. Did anybody else have any kind of Tradevate glitch or anything there? Or was it just me? That was in my Lucid Pro accounts too. Dude, I was adding and it wasn't adding, and then it added at the lows. Very, very strange. I want to go back and watch the replay of that. Thank God I can. I like complain about the Tradevate fails, but that was next level, dude. What is that? No, Trump is not talking from what I can see. That's really annoying. Now I don't have anything left to trade. That was the only thing I wanted to trade today on GLOBEX. I have $800 worth of drawdown in each account now. That's super annoying. I mean, I was pressing short and it wasn't filling shit. Really weird. Oh, you know what I do have? I think I have an alpha. Hold on, give me a moment. Let me try to log into this. That's really annoying, dude. I'm not a huge fan of that. Tradevate has been shitty all week during volatility. Dude, I mean, I was trying to press the button and I don't know, that was weird. I looked over and it's like a different... I want to go back and watch that. Because I'm looking at the chart and these ads are not where I was pressing the button. Like, I don't know why, like it did not skip from there. Yeah, dude, what is it? It added me at 780, 779. And then on the way back up, 787, 788, 789. I don't get how that's even possible. I don't get how that's possible. Whatever. All right, let's try this Alpha Zero. Okay, look, it's not even working. The fuck? The hell? It's not even working now. Come on, man. Good old props. I always say like Tradeabate's the easiest, but man, this is a nightmare. Right. We're in shorts in Alpha Zero. I don't know what the rules are of this account, but let's cross our fingers here. God, that's so tilting. It's so annoying. I'm so annoyed by that because the Lucid Pro accounts, like I'm actually like was trading. Oh, you know what I can trade is my Lucid Flex accounts. I have Lucid Flex accounts, but I can pass those in case my Lucid Pro get blown. Well, I only have $800 now in my Lucid Pros, so. All right, we can let that one go. Let me go switch to this Lucid Flex. Where's my Lucid Flex? Here we go. Hold on. All right, what do I need to make in my Lucid Flex accounts here? I need to make like $1,800 or something. Let's try it. I think I have $7,000 worth of drawdown. Here, let me go ahead and close this one over here. I don't really care about this one. Go. Cool. We made $700 in that one. Whee! All right, Lucid Flex. Let's do our thing. We're copying, I think. Okay. We're going underneath the 50s, or we're trying to. See if we can get this back underneath that 60 level. Holding. Why is my average so shit in these? Don't freeze now, Bookmap. Not now. Not now. Out of all the times to freeze, don't make it now. Let's see if we can cross the 70 area. Right now we're just kind of bouncing. Get underneath 70s, damn it. That's all the people want. See if we can tuck back below those 70s at all. That's all I'm looking for. Just a little tuck and dive. S&Ps want to do it too. Or you can wiggle dick around. Either way. Either way, man. Okay, go for it. Ready, and... Well, they almost went for it. Currently bouncing at the tippy top of this volume shelf here. Come on, Trade Evade, stop acting up. Stop bouncing around, dude. Trade Evade is bouncing around right now, too. I know, it was literally a few seconds after we started complaining that the market was boring, it just went crazy. And now we're just getting a launch to the fucking moon. Oh, sure, let's do that. Let's just go straight to the fucking moon, shall we? Let's just do that. Let's just go straight to the moon. When I discover that we have Lucid Flex accounts, let's just do that. Good Lord. All right, let's see what we can do with this. We had all that volume coming in. It's trying to make its way, deciding whether or not it's going to fail 90s here. I think it's going to go down, but it certainly did waste no time going right back up about 50 points in my fucking face. Right when I discovered, I was like, oh yeah, I have Lucid Flex accounts. Let me trade these things. And the market's like, hold on, let me bounce 50 points directly in your face. Ah, thank you. Please do that. I love that about you. Isn't timing a beautiful thing in the markets? Like Hitcha got out right before the drop. You could always get back in. Don't be like me fumbling for the accounts that you're supposed to be trading. That's ridiculous. Now it's trying to make its way downtown here. It's thinking about it. It's thinking about whether or not it wants to hold way up here at these 90s or if it wants to make its way downtown here. It's still just completely undecided. We're probably going to go sideways for the next 15 fucking minutes. Let's find out, though. Let's see. No volume coming in. S&Ps are stagnant. It's still undecided. Oh, bookmap freezing at the most ample times. When we need you the most, bookmap. That's when we need you the most. It's just still going sideways here. Let's see if we can just get like a little bit of a crack towards those 80s. That would be amazing. That'd make everybody's night better. You hear that, NASDAQ? Just a little crack towards those 80s. What do you say? Be a pal. It is pretty funny that it can't figure out which way it wants to go now. We are still holding underneath 95. Liquidity is scant. S&Ps are looking for a run back down to 68.50. See if he wants to go for it. It's right there, pal. I promise you. I won't tell anybody if you make your way down to those 80s. I'm not going to tell anybody, I promise. It'll be our little secret, NASDAQ. I'll keep it just between you and I. Don't worry. Or just hang at my area of where I opened the trade and refuse to break that area. Either way, I got time, buddy. Just break it. 68.53 wants to break, and the S&Ps, just do it. Just be a pal. That's the way. It's down south we're looking to go. It's warmer there for wintertime. You can do it. I believe in you. Truly, I believe in you, NASDAQ. You could roll for me. Just a little bit lower. Don't be shy. Don't do what we're all thinking that you're going to try to do now. No, not like this. No, you dirty dog. I don't know. What do we think, boys? Boy, NASDAQ, you're a real bitch, aren't you? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Good Lord. Unbelievable. Son of a bitch. Well, that's that. Looks like the flex accounts are not flexing. That was horrible. That was awful. All it took was NASDAQ reversing on our faces by, what was the low there? 45. It filled me at 45 and we're trading at 95 now. That was the initial fill that I got. It was at 45. How did it even print 45? Let's be honest. Let me check. It didn't even print 45, did it? Oh, come on. Get over here. Come on, Bookmap. I'm dragging you. No, it didn't. How did I get filled at 45? This is what I'm talking about. I got filled at 45 3/4. In what planet is it filling at 40? Wait, hold on. Maybe it did. Maybe it did. Okay, fair. It did. What a dirty little bitch, though. Look at that thing. Right when it was curling over, it decided, no, we got more squeeze to have. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I mean, it's giving it back now. The whole spill to the downside is giving it all back. What do we have? We can trade Alpha Zero. We still got Alpha Zero here. We can try this one. Do you exit and take profit manually? I usually have a TP. Dude, it filled me at 45 3/4. I'm telling you, Tradeabate fills sometimes have a mind of their own. They really do. They just come out of nowhere with just a huge mind of their own. As a sales manager selling us under the carriage cover, what is that? Oh my God. What does that even mean? I'm gonna have to request when I can get denied, then complete another 8 days. Shouldn't be made too bad, just slow. What are we talking about right now? Don't forget the 1K daily loss limit, Alpha Zero. Mine says $1,500, bro. Mine says $1,500 right now. That's what mine says. I don't know if I believe you. Mine says $1,500 right now. Maybe it's because of the 677 bucks. So I believe we're good, right? I think we're good. We're back at London low right now. It's either gonna reject this London low area and come back down, or we're gonna springboard back up to like 850 or so. And right now we've been squeezing. All right, let's continue the squeeze. Let's try to follow this squeeze higher. Look at the dog shit it filled me at. I don't even think we've printed 818. Somehow it filled me at 818. Sir, we have not printed 818. This is what I'm talking about. These fills that I get in Tradevate are just like fucking weird. It never fills me on the good side of things. 818 quarters. We're not even trading 818 quarters. Now we are. We just got there for the very first time, but unbelievable. All right, let's see if we can have a breakout at the London low. We are above VWAP here. I'd like to see this get carried higher. I'd like S&Ps to get all the way back up to 68, 65. If we rejected the VWAP, we can still hold this, but if we fail VWAP, we're gonna stop out. We got 38 contracts above us right now. Let's see what happens. So far, so good. Not a lot of congruence, but yeah. All right, we are pushing up here. Look at the, dude, how much effort do we need with these horrible fills? Like, it fills us like 10 ticks higher than we need to like work for it. We finally get it going in our direction. It's like, you're up $3, congratulations. This is ridiculous. So nobody else is having any trading lag or anything on Tradevate, it's just me? Is it just me? I'm the only person whose orders are lagging on Tradevate? There's no way. I don't believe you. I don't know that I believe you, folks. You get lag and kills. Dude, I'm not joking. When I was shorting that earlier, that was the most extreme amount of shit lag I've ever seen. And the fills are just weird, bro. Like, we just had the fill that I'm in right now, 818 and a quarter. That's not real. It never printed that. How's it filling me at that? We oughta grab some pitchforks and storm their offices. Your Tradevate is fine. Tradevate is dog shit. It doesn't lag until you get into a position. Dude, it's fucking weird. I swear to God, that was one of the weirdest disconnects I had. I was looking at Bookmap and then I glanced down at my P&L and it was like, wait, what is what? I thought I was literally trading the wrong instrument. It's like, no, it was just filling me weird. Like I was pressing the hotkey and it was doing nothing and then the price drops and it puts me into the bottom. That was fucking weird, dude. That cost me a lot of drawdown in my Lucid Pro accounts. I need to be careful when I'm trading my TPT accounts. TPT accounts I really, really, really do care about. If you're watching today, I traded my Lucid Pro accounts. Did well. Erased that today. Those Lucid Flex accounts, I thought those were like a hair from passing. Those are toast. It's unbelievable. Good Lord. Not a great GLOBEX. Unbelievable. You're right. I think I'm only going to trade the micros on Tradevate. Or on, yeah, Tradevate. I always forget what the platform's called. Anyway, well, the accounts we don't care about are, of course, the ones that do well. Isn't that the way that it always goes? How annoying. So we're up in our AF0 account, which I still have to make $3 grand to pass. which is hard to do with 3 contracts, believe it or not. It's crazy they only give you 3 contracts. This is not a pair. This is the NASDAQ futures. If you want information about what we're trading, go to propfirms.gg. God, now I'm like annoyed by that. Knowing that that's a fucking trade evade issue. Because I know that I didn't, there's no way that I was pressing that down there when I was pressing it up there. And I was like, I'm adding to the short, and literally nothing happens. You see what we go through now. Dude, my hearts are out to you guys that you deal with this every day. It's crazy. I swear to God, the entire year when I was trading live on my stream, every single day when I was trading my $2 million account, every single trade, when I pressed the button, it executed. I never had to think about anything. I never had to think about like, do you got the right account selected? I press the button and it just works. So nice. Take care, low to the Poe. It's a TradingView issue, not TradeAvate? What do you mean? TradingView is what I traded all last year and I had 0 issues. I'm not trading on TradingView right now. I'm only trading on TradeAvate. Literally. Like this is what I'm trading on right here. This is it. That's it. I'm not even trading on TradingView, brother. Yeah. No. I know if you try to trade on TradingView connected to TradeAvate, it's a nightmare. But I'm trying to execute in TradeAvate. Like, dude, I was shorting and the thing, like, it was going down and then it decided to put all of my orders. I gotta show this to you. Wait, where now? Look, now TradeAvate won't even load. It's a black screen. This is my TradeAvate. This is what I'm saying, dude. This is my one tab right here. This is the other tab. It's fucking broken. I knew it wasn't me. Sitting there like a dingus. I looked down at my P&L. I'm like, how is that? I swear to God, dude. I'm not even kidding. Like, I looked down at my P&L and it was red. I was like, how is that possible? I'm shorting this thing on the way down and I thought I was trading the wrong contract. And I look and it's like, no, it just put in all of my orders at the dead bottom for some reason. Like, what? What in the world? It is crazy. I didn't like that. Oh, now we're coming back down. Do you market order in? Depends. I have both buttons. You can see. I have, well, you can't see, but I have buy market, sell market, buy bid, sell ask. So I got all the buttons. That chapped my chestnuts. AI explains why I must remove the dim mode was for X's new black and white branding. Okay, well, like, dude, can we just get back the normal shit, please? TradeAvate sometimes doesn't register my clicks. It causes issues. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. I was literally pressing short. I pressed the button right here that presses the sell button, and I pressed it. I'm watching Bookmap. I'm not looking at I don't look at my platform. Like, there's no point. I'm literally watching the order flow, and I was shorting down into that move, and then I looked down at my P&L, and it said red. And I was like, literally thought I was trading the wrong instrument or something. All right, let's see what happens top of the hour here. 2 seconds. Oh. Sellers tried to take a hold of it. This is very sneaky music, too. Welcome to the Asia Open. Don't dump it. No. 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 No, not all the way. Oh, God, they're really hammering that. I took that off. They're really hammering this thing now. Unbelievable. Just filled me 4 points above on my exit? Really? Oh, geez, and now it goes right back up. Unbelievable. Dude, all right. Are you for real? Are you for real? You can't be serious. Come on, they're trolling me now. They're not serious. Are they trolling me, chat? Are they trolling me? Are they trolling me? I think they're trolling me, chat. Oh, at least they didn't fill me all the way up here. I think they're trolling me. Wow, Asia's putting in new highs. Let's go. Let's go. New highs, Asia. You can do it. Why would you reverse here, Asia? You're not gonna reverse here, are you? Come on, not with me and my buddies. We're all watching. Don't do it like this, NASDAQ. You ever talk to the NASDAQ like this? You got more room to the upside for us, don't you? You're gonna make us profitable on the day, aren't you? Let's go, baby girl. Woo! Yeah, get those dirty shorts. They're not even cool. Yeah. You can keep going though. We're not done. Let's keep talking some shit to those shorts. This is a good like music for longing too, you see? You just got to put a little oomph into it. Don't die now. Do something that like makes everybody confused, like run through 860 and then keep running. Yes. And then keep going. Nobody's going to expect that, NASDAQ. Wouldn't that fuck everybody up? Just keep going. Like right through 860. Just go brah. Just go brah. Yes, explore. Higher. Ha ha ha. Come on, confuse everybody who charts. Just yeah, like that. And then really throw everybody off by going straight to 870. Come on. Do it for the stream. We're all watching, NASDAQ. No. It's doing the thing that everybody thinks it's gonna do. That's not fun. If you just stop at 860, you're gonna prove everybody right. Everybody's like, it's just gonna stop at 860 in reverse. Come on, you. Now do the fake and shake. Yeah, like a little pullback and then you just blast through 860 and then throw everybody way off. Like, how would you ever do this? I can't believe NASDAQ went through the Woggy Pogs. You know, like that thing. Let's see. What is even my entry? 44. We got room. We got room. I'm not even sweating this. Hold on. Now we might be sweating this. Why are you so weak, NASDAQ? Whatever happened to you? I remember the days back and we were talking about like 860 was a dream that we had. You know what I mean? 860 was a dream that we had. Where you were talking about I could bust on through to the other side. Do you remember those days? Felt like it was 60 seconds ago we were having that conversation. How do you add the price to your ticker? I don't know. What do you mean? What are you talking about? Everything comes down to believability. Just gotta believe, bro. Like, we gotta believe that we're gonna bust through 147 contracts in GLOBEX right now. I believe. Look at, they already moved their order. They're scared. They're scared of everybody watching the stream. Look at them. 860 in a dream, baby. We're gonna bust through. No mercy. Just send it. Send it like a bottle rocket to the moon. Just tap into 860. What do you say? Is it that big of a deal? How the price marker on the chart shows price. I think you just change it in a setting in TradingView. I don't think, or Tradeovate. Uh-oh. It's flirting with us. It's coming very close to our entry. You see that? It came very close to our entry. But not today, because we're gonna shoot right through 860. Do you see this? Look at it. You see right above my head. Look at Bookmap. We're working our way because we have a dream and 860 is our target. Mm-hmm. Step it up. Get up in there. Oh, you see that? Look at that. Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. What's that I hear? Is that 860 knocking on the door? Is that 860? Oh, man! Headshot. Yeah! Fuck you, 860! You had no shot! No chance! Not with all these believers in chat! Fuck you! Get out of the way, pal! No shot! Now we just need to hold above 860. Just hold. just get back up there and hold for a little bit. Don't fade. Listen, I understand the goal was 860, but I'm a greedy kind of guy. Let's get back up there. This is ridiculous. You don't need to I don't like the prank that he's trying to pull now. 862 quarters is the level on my chart. We're kind of bumping into that. I don't know if I like this trade anymore. I don't know, champs. It seems like the sellers are taking control of us here. I don't know that I like this at all. They're playing dirty with our emotions. Sellers are kind of overwhelming us. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. If we could just hold here for a moment. Just for a moment. Because this is where we came down to last time. And we kind of got some buyers bullying these sellers out of the way. If we could just get on up a little bit. Maybe there's a chance we could find our way back uptown. You know what I mean? 35 is actual support. You're not wrong about that. I see the same thing you do. But why wait when you could board the missile that's going to blast off right through 860 right here and now? You just got to believe. Volume's dying out again. That's a problem. We need volume to break on through because that 137 lot has now moved to 865. I don't know. Not liking what they're doing here. Not a good look. I think we're going to win this one. I don't think it's going to take our lunch money. I think we're going to end out on the other side here with gold doubloons in our hand because it's just holding here. And I feel like the S&P is starting to spool up a little bit. What setting do I go? You've been asking, brother. I don't know. It's got to be a setting somewhere. Clearly, I found it. I feel like this song is definitely on my side right now. I mean, ask ChatGPT. They'll probably know. They usually know all those types of things. Here, let's go back to watching Bookmap. It's way more fun than seeing the line on my screen. Look at this thing go. Chat don't know shit. I mean, I don't know what it is, bro. Preferences. I have no idea, bro. Your guess is as good as mine. Settings. Bar countdown settings enabled. I don't know. Something in the settings for charts. Isn't there like a global setting somewhere? Brother, I have no idea. I wish I could help. No. I mean, click the plus in the top left, one of those drop downs. I don't see it there either, man. I don't see it there either. I know exactly what you're talking. Hold on. What if I do? No, can't right click there. see. Trade Ovate. Show P&L on trade line. Show P&L on price line. Okay, open chart settings. Chart settings. That didn't help. Navigate to price level settings. How do I do that? Where's the freaking chart settings? Where's the chart settings? Open chart settings. Click the settings or gear icon within your chart module. Where is that? Candlesticks? Data box, crosshair. I'm looking for you. Oh wait, chart. Wait, hold on. Settings. Hold on. Price levels. Ah, I found it. So here, you go here. Chart settings. This is a little square box. You can't even see it. It's a square box. Hold on. Let me see if I can fix this for you. I want to help you. Where's the damn thing? There we go. Okay, hold on. Watch. I got this. We got this, baby. We got this. We're doing it together. Okay. You see this little thing right here? You click that. You go to price levels. And then you click show P&L on price line. Boom! Yeah! Ha-ha! We did it together. Bang! Headshot. Woo! That was tough to find. I love Trade Ovate. What a platform. What a platform. So intuitive. What's your take profit? Higher. I'm gonna go with higher to mid to high-ish. I'm looking for probably like 870. I mean, this thing is just so sideways right now. It's just not doing anything. Let's go back to Bookmap and watch. It's more fun. Some very sneaky music here. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? How are you guys feeling? Talk to me. Never like showing P&L on price line because it moves with the current price? Isn't that what you want though? Isn't that a good thing? Well, BC go to 0. What's BC? What's up, Vibe Trade? What's up, Manny? Matt Kors, what's up, bud? BTC is not going to 0. There's too many people who would buy it. It's certainly not going to 0, per my opinion. Whatever that means. That's just my opinion. Who cares? But no, I don't think it is. 900 is yesterday's POC. I'd love to see that. Right now, it's struggling to find any kind of buyers because there's just no volume right now. We need some news. Some news. We got schmammered on the way down because Trade Ovate decided to not put in any of our orders until it felt like it. And by the time it went in, the price was already lower. So those are the breaks. If you're on Trade Ovate, just tour the profit PL column on the DOM. Yes, for sure. Come on, full port and take out the print. No, God, no. Not in this price action. This is garbage. We missed all the good stuff already. A couple of feds are speaking this morning. Let me see what the news is for tomorrow's stream. I'm excited for tomorrow's stream. It's gonna be a fun one. Oh, AMP already reduced my margins, or raised my margins, I should say. What's up, Dimension? How are you, buddy? Let's see, the news tomorrow. We have CPI coming out at 8:30, so I'm gonna be streaming that live. And then that's pretty much it. We are also hearing from no Fed speakers. Okay, so CPI is it. You want to tune in for that. Tomorrow at 8:30, we're going to be trading that live. I don't know what we're going to be trading it in. Maybe get some new... I don't know. What we tried Lucid Flex. I was so close to passing those. What did I need to pass those? Fucking nothing. I needed like $1,700 more, and those things got blown. $1,800 is all I needed. Damn it. Apex, dude, I could trade Apex. I kind of want to be like super duper slow on Apex. Really, really slow on Apex. Like super duper slow. Oh, there goes that thing. But Apex, I want to take it super, super, super slow. You broke the consistency rule on Lucid Eval? Passed it in 10 minutes? How is that breaking the consistency? I do not understand. I don't get it. How could that be possible? It's 50%. You just have to lose money. It's not a big deal. All you have to do is lose money. It's no big deal. So if we did the Lucid Flex, wait, the Lucid Black, which ones can you pass in one single day? Wait, was Lucid Flex the ones I could have got daily payouts from? Don't tell me. Are you serious? Wait, hold on. Oh no, it's 5 days to pay out. Why were we trading those? Why would we trade those, bro? What? What do you mean? Why wouldn't we trade the Lucid Black? Days to pay out 3. There's no single day payout ones, huh? Trying to figure out what we should trade. Lucid Black, probably? Lucid Black only has 100Ks? I think maybe we trade Lucid Black. I think I blew. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I blew these. Richard Harris in the building. Welcome, buddy. Boy, howdy, did I miss you. You ledge? I think these are dead, right? My max drawdown on these bad boys. I'm surprised it didn't update yet. I guess we'll wait. We'll buy them tomorrow. There's no rush. Trade day, I was going to wait until Monday. Monday, I'm going to get a trade day account. Lucid doesn't have any daily payouts. Only Pro can be passed in one day. Well, my Lucid Pros are going to need work now. I only have like $800 worth of drawdown in those things. It's terrifying. So annoying. I just can't believe how Tradeovate fucking just dirty, disgusting lag, dude. Okay, good. It is showing that they're breached here. Good. There we go. Okay, so my Lucid Flex were breached. So Lucid Black, I can pass in. Let's see. Lucid Black. How many? 2 days. Lucid Flex, 2 days. 2 days to pass. Okay. We'll do that tomorrow then. That's what we'll do tomorrow. Monday is President's Day. I'm probably not going to stream on Monday. We'll see though. I might do GLOBEX on Monday. If you guys are down, you guys want to do GLOBEX stream on Monday? I already have Lucid Pro accounts. I took payouts from them this morning. What do you guys think? Should we do a GLOBEX stream on Monday? Because my GLOBEXers, we're not going to be able to chat until next time we stream because there's not going to be a Friday GLOBEX stream. What do you guys think? If you go over profit even on second day, Black will have you make more. Well, you just lose money. It's so easy to lose money. Just buy a micro, sell a micro. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. That easy. I'm down. We'll do a GLOBEX stream on Monday because that will be the real trading day. Monday GLOBEX. It'll probably be pretty sick. But stingy to the penny? I mean, just buy, sell, brother. It ain't no thing. What is GLOBEX? You're in it right now. Where do I think this is going? I mean, I think probably back down, if we're being honest. If we're going to continue to reject at 862 quarters, which is the level I've drawn, which I should have listened to my own levels. But 862 quarters, the level that was contained, so I think we'd go down from 862 quarters. Target would be first the London lows, which is right near the VWAP. If we do make it below those London lows, the best setup would be a break and a retest, and then much lower, targeting down here, 693. That would be the best target in my eyes, personally. That's what I think. That's where I'd be looking. I still can't get over this is the greatest. This is the greatest fill of my life, dude. I want to frame this and put this on my fridge. That is just too good to be true. That is the funniest thing I've ever seen. I don't even know if it printed that. Did it? It printed 803. Let's see. It didn't even print it, did it? Oh my God, it didn't. Look at that. It didn't even print it. No joke. That price did not even contract in the markets. The lowest price contracted was 802 quarters. This filled me at 801 and 50 cents. I see what you prop traders are talking about. They are dastardly with these fills. Boy, howdy, are they ever. Look at that, we're coming down. Really coming down now. Anybody short? I like shorts. Who's in shorts? Rips, you like Tradify Lightning funded accounts? I do. I love them. I think they're fantastic. New to Kick, how do we earn the channel points? By chatting, interacting, not spamming, and just watching the stream. And gambling channel points when there is a gamble. For instance, shall we do a heads and tails gamble? Do you guys want to get really, really grimy? We could do it. You want to do a heads and tails? What happened to Desmond? Who's Desmond? Should I know who Desmond is? I don't know a Desmond. All right, heads or tails. You guys are the best. All right, this is what we're going to do then. You guys are in this one today. I'm going to put up the gamble right now. Heads or tails. Here we go. 1 minute for your predictions. This is over on Kick, by the way. If you're not on Kick, we gamble channel points over there. You can redeem channel points for free prop firm accounts. You get them just by jumping into Kick and watching. There's no cost to you. It's completely free. Completely and entirely free. Wow, look at this gamble going right now. This is great. If you have no clue what I'm talking about, this is the Kick chat right now. Say hi, Kicksters. Say what up. This is the gamble right here. Heads, tails. Look at this. People are gambling their channel points. This is the channel points store. Apex Eval, 50K Tradify Growth, 50K Lucid Flex, 50K Lucid Black, 25K. Dude, you can get a 150K Tradify Lightning funded account for free. For free. It's free. No charge. Isn't that crazy? Can't make it up. You don't get any points for gambling on YouTube, unfortunately. We are rolling. Did I say or did I not say that we're going to break lower? Look at that. Man, that's gorgeous. Why does it always have to go without me? Oh, no. Did you miss the giveaway? Which one? The laptop giveaway? Yeah, you did. All right, here we go. 37,000 channel points in the pool. Heads or tails? Who's ready to see the flip? 63% said heads. 37% said tails. The market's going lower. Let's see if tails can win. I haven't flipped it yet, so this is not true. That is not true. I'm going to flip it again. Here we go. Good luck to everybody who gambled. Here we go. Oh, heads. Oh, my God. The majority wins. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right. I'm going to do another one because you guys have been so good today. We'll do another 1 minute prediction here. And the market continues to crater lower. And I literally have nothing to trade. This is unbelievable. For shame. Next will be tails. We'll get into Kick and bet it. Get yourself a free account. Golly, what a beautiful short. Tell me somebody caught the short. Please. Somebody drop a W in chat. MacD with the one gifted. Thank you. Somebody caught it, right? The short. Where do you think it's going to go, Rips? I think it's going to go down. Okay, boom. Bing, bong, biggity. Do you get more points the more in your act? Yes, that's very true. Z-Wayne caught that shit. Let's go, baby. I love it. Well done. You caught the shit out of that. I love that. Up 450 done off the short. I love that. It's beautiful. Look at you go. That's a gorgeous thing. Look at you go. All right, let's see. Locked in here. Wow, less points have been gambled this time around. I wonder why. We have 22,000 points in the pool. 72% saying heads, 28% say tails. Here we go. Let's get the flip. Here it comes. Don't delay. Here we go. Good luck. Oh my God, heads again. Unbelievable. The heads are just on fire right now. We'll do one more because I know there's people out there that are begging for it. We'll do one more prediction. Is there anybody triple flipping their way into like a lightning funded account right now? Tell me there's one person out there that's watching that's about to gamble their way into a lightning funded account. Got a little sum on the short sum. Clicked that. It still ain't put it on there, but I shall continue to try to figure out. Yeah. Well, you probably have to refresh the browser. Edgy Invest says heads again. About investment advice, of course. Rhinoceros says, I had 120 points this morning. He's a new follower, up to 1,000 points. Let's go. I love to see that. Way to go, pal. Way to really stick it to the man. That's how it's done around these parts. Market's still coming lower here. We are putting in new lows for Asia. You don't even want your channel points? What do you mean? What are you talking about? That is so foolish. Think about all the beautiful prizes you can get from our prize wheel. You're all in again. Okay. All right, so we have in this 90,000 channel points have been gambled. It's a 50-50 split. 45,000 points have been bet on heads. I'll show you right here. Look at this. This is the channel gamble right here. Look at this. Look at all these balls. Oh my God. It's a 50-50 split here, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck to you all. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and... Oh my God, it's heads again. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The heads are unstoppable. All right. Should we stop? Should we stop? Channel gamblers, should we stop? Should we stop? What do you think? Should we stop? Channel gamblers. Stop or keep going? W's if we keep going, L's if we stop. W's if we keep going, L's if we stop. Okay, fine. All right, we'll keep going. We'll keep going. All right, we got to get another one. We got to get another one. All right, all right. I got to feed the supply. All right, I got to feed the supply. There you go. It's live. It's out of my hands at this juncture. It's out of my hands. How long would it take it to get enough points for the free account? I mean, I've seen people do it in less than a week. There's multiple accounts to choose from. It's not just one free account. Brother, look. The Channel Point store is stocked full of goodness here. Oops. Clicked the wrong button there. Hold on. Look at the Channel Point store. Look at all the goodies you can get. 50K Lucid Flex. I think there's, look at that. The 50K TPT test account? Lucid Flex, Tradeify Lightning funded. I mean, this thing is chock full of goods. The goods are out of control. I do it for the people, man. Where do you think the funding comes from this? Ripsy Warbucks. You know what I mean? How do I participate in that? You're currently doing it right now. You generate channel points just by chatting in and watching the streams. All right, let's see what the channel gambles say this time around here, folks. I'm nervous for you guys. Oh my God. Look at this. 30% versus 70%. We got 20,000 channel points on heads, 46,000 channel points on tails. Are you folks ready? Are you ready? Do you think it's gonna be tails this time, really? I think it's gonna go heads again. That's just my call. Here we go. Ready? It's out of my control. Oh my God, it's heads again. It's unbelievable. Oh my God, it's just unbelievable. Oh my God, the heads are coming out of the woodwork. Oh my God, what a huge, huge win for the heads. All right, who's really winning here? Who talks to me? Is anybody just like up a bunch? 4 times in a row. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. All right, here's the deal. I think we do one more. There's no way it could be heads again, right? There's no way it could be heads again. Let's see. Let's see who's got the mustard to bet. I'm doing it again. Heads or tails. This is the last time I'm going to do it. It's just too much. How do we play? You just click the channel points gamble button and then put your points on the table. You don't have to bet them all. There's a lot of people in here that just love to bet them all. Look at the bets are coming in fast and furious. Look at this. They're all coming into the tails side too. Look at this. 23,000 channel points on tails. Look at this. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Where's all the heads bets? And we have some coming in late here. 25 seconds left to get your predictions in. I don't know, chat. If I was a betting man, I would probably put it all in on heads. I'm just saying. I don't know. Is there going to be a late entry here? 5, 4, 3. Oh my God, look at the late bets. Look at the late bets coming in. Oh my God, the late heads coming in. All right, here we go. There we go. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and out of my hands. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. How does this happen? I told you. I told you. If I was a betting man, I'd pick heads. I feel like I have to keep going because I just want to see what tails looks like. This time, I think it's going to be tails. This time, I think it's going to be tails. I truly believe this time it's going to be tails. I'm just saying. I really do. Let's see. Wow, 10 points so far. I feel like this is the time where it's actually going to go tails. But, boy, if it went heads, that's a 43-1 bet right now. Look at the odds on this. 15-1, 17-1, 13-1. The odds are slowly shifting with 20 seconds to go. 11-1 odds are pretty good odds. And it's been heads 5 times in a row. I don't know. This is too exciting. This is way more exciting than trading for me. Fucking way better. Oh, okay. The bets are in. 17,000 points on heads, 40,000 on tails. I hope nobody bet all in here. Here we go. I just clicked the button. It's out of my hands. It's out of my hands in 5, 4, 3, 2, and finally tails. Oh my God. Somebody had to have tailed me on that one. I hope somebody tailed me on that one. Oh my God. All right, tails win. I think that's fair enough for the bets. I think that we found the end of the coin toss. Wow. Wow. That is insane. You voted tails, made your money back. Congratulations. Who won all 6 of those flips? This is better than NQ. Let's just do this every day. All right. You got it, man. Damn, Day Trader Rick got 5 out of 6. Dude, Trader Clips is asking Lucid Flex or Tradeify Growth. Did you win it in the channel point store? Oh, damn, Mac D with the 5 gifted. Yo, hello. Holy shit. Somebody slow this man down. 5 gifted, you're out of your mind. Jesus. You caught the short, didn't you? That's what it was. Oh, you got tail. Dude, my man. Okay, so did anybody get enough channel points to buy an account off that? Let's see. I'm gonna go to the channel point store. I gotta see if anybody's in the line here. Not yet. Not yet. Do one more? Dude, I don't know if you D-gens can do it. I'll do a poll to see if we'll do one more. I don't know if you guys are ready for one more. One more tail toss, or tail toss. Coin toss. Yup. Nah. Okay. Two options here. Two options. I'm gonna let you vote on this for 2 minutes, and then seriously, this is the last one if it gets through. Blaze says I'm fucking broke. You can't go all in on every coin toss, baby. You can't do that. You can't coin toss every time all in. You'll redeem tomorrow. Congratulations, Trader Clips got enough from the coin toss. Wow, what a fucking legend. Did you win all 6? You must have won all 6, right? Tell me you won every single coin toss. That's a legendary thing right there. You won every single coin toss to actually make it. That is incredible. Full port the coin toss. Dude, actually, I mean, if you full port and you win all 6, like, you probably have enough channel points to get any account you want. That's crazy. But that's why I do these coin tosses. It's still fun. But yeah, compare what you want. There's no rush, dude. Tomorrow's Friday. You might as well redeem it on Monday. You know what I mean? You skipped the tails? Okay, so you got all 5 heads in a row? You're insane, bro. That is insane. Dude, did you full port every fucking toss? Just heads, 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 heads. 5 times in a row. Yes, Monday's a bank holiday, but we'll be streaming GLOBEX together at this time on Monday, so it's like a half day. Right now, everybody 75% of you want to do the fucking coin toss? Are you serious? All right, I'm gonna take a leak. I'll be right back, and then we'll do the coin toss. I can't believe 75% of you want to do another one. You guys are D-gens, bro. We might need to have like a little sit down here about this. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. We are back. All right, so the coin toss is gonna happen. You guys all want a coin toss. All right, we'll do a coin toss. Unbelievable. Coin toss it is. All right. We'll do a damn coin toss. Here we go. Where did the coin toss thing go? Oh, there it is. I found it. Okay, let's do it. Let's get our channel points in. Heads or tails. 1 minute and go. This is the last one for real. This is it. This is the last one for real, for real. I don't think I have anything left to trade. I really don't think I have anything left to trade right now. Nothing that I want to touch, at least. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, I thought you guys were going to be betting a lot more. By the way, market's still coming down. New Asia lows have been printed. Woo! Hot tomato. Just telling everybody over here, hey, which way do you think the market is? Actually here. Which way do you think the market's going to go? It's going to go down. About 100 points ago. Do you sell a mentorship? Fuck no. Everything I do is free, baby. You are in the mentorship. It costs $0. And it's every single day. You want to come by? You want to hang out? You spend $0. So the mentorship will always be free. I know. I know. I know. I get it. You're used to paying people. I get it. Stop it. Knock it off. Knock it off. Okay, here we go. You ready? Let's have a quick look at the what's in the pool here. Looking over at the pool. 51% said heads. Well, not that many points. 52,000 channel points. Let's do it. Let's see. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and bang! Oh my God, it's heads again. Oh, dude, it just can't be beat. I'm sorry, but that's six out of 7. You can't touch it. Why would you ever bet against it? How could you ever bet against it at this point? I literally would just do every single day. I just pick heads, no question. That coin is weighted. I've seen a weighted coin in my days, and that's a weighted coin. You lost? How? How do you lose every single one? Come on. What are you doing? What are you thinking? You think you found your new favorite channel? What's up, Relatable Shayla? How are you? We are degenerates in here. Well, I don't have anything left to trade. I'm trying to think. I'd only trade like evals. I'm gonna trade Lucid Black tomorrow. I'm gonna buy 5 Lucid Black tomorrow. I'm gonna trade those bad doggers tomorrow. When's the poker mentorship? I don't know. You're asking the wrong guy. You went 0 for 7. How is that possible? How do you go tails, 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 tails without any single heads? It's kind of unbelievable. kind of unbelievable. Some quick eat. I'm saving that for tomorrow. I depoted. I got, look at my balance. Look at my balance on eat. I got two. I'm ready. I'm ready for yeet for tomorrow. We're doing a bonus hunt, a Friday bonus hunt. I just want to get CPI out of the way, maybe trade a little bit on the open. And then we go to Ride Town, and then we fuck. I don't know. We do something crazy. I think we're good for GLOBEX. I'm pretty sure we're good for GLOBEX. I think it was a good GLOBEX stream. We had fun. This will forever be my favorite trade ever. This fill right here is forever going to be my favorite. We're drilling still. Like, obviously, if you're not short by now, take your shorts on and put them in there. Get it in there. Get short, you lunatic. What are you thinking? Get short. Look at the market. It's selling off nonstop. Get in there. I don't remember a single time where I was like, get long, especially up here, up yonder. It was this tick right here where I was like, I would be getting short. 100 points ago. Well, more than 100 points ago, but Jiminy Christmas. Yeah, that is the fridge pick. It's insane. All right, any trading related questions? I do want to talk about my folks in here that did the journaling exercise. How many people in here did the journaling exercise from last week? How many people followed through with that? Because I want to get serious for a minute. We've had our fun. Now we have to do the homework. In fact, we got to change the vibe for this. Okay? Change the vibe a little bit here. Right about, you know, bring it in. Let's get a little serious for a minute, huh? Let's get a little serious here. Come here. You see that red number on the screen? Yeah, girl. I know you see it. You see how big that red number is? It's all over my screen. But you know what? I ain't finna let it bother me. You know why? Because it's just a number on the screen. And we don't let those red numbers on the screen bother us, do we? Never gonna be a day. Just tell me. All right. Who actually journaled this past week? Who actually journaled this past week? For real. Who journaled? Talk to me. I want to know. Okay, Dimension did. Zero did. Flower Sunshine did. Ripsmod's getting too hot. Okay, the Beat Farmer did. DB did. Okay. Now, I'm going to run a poll right now. I'm gonna run a poll. I hope nobody comes. I got to take the stream offline. I'm going to run a poll. Did journaling improve your trading? Yes, by a lot. Yes, by a little. No, I did not journal. No, it didn't help. Okay, here's the poll. Click it as fast as you can. I just want to see the results. Show it to me. Open your journals. Yeah. Let me see page 6. But it's important that we talk about this because it was an exercise that we did a week ago, and we're going to continue to have homework on this stream. In fact, I'm going to have some new homework on Monday. We're going to go through a brand new setup, and we're going to talk about how it can change your trading. Okay, so here's where the poll results went, just so you can see. No, I did not journal, right? No, I did not journal. And yes, by a lot. No, it didn't help. So it's gone. But the point is that we had people that did not journal at all, which were not willing to take the challenge. But the people that were next best were people that said that, yes, it did help a lot. So what I'm saying is that if you haven't journaled yet, you will notice a drastic increase in your performance if you start journaling. And we talked about this last week. There's going to be some videos coming out on YouTube about it, about your journaling, how you can make it better. but we're going to have a brand new webinar on the next GLOBEX stream we do. If we do a Monday GLOBEX stream, you do not want to miss it. I'm going to go through a very specific setup that you can use in your trading that only relies on two things, candlesticks and volume. You don't need Bookmap. You don't need any special tools. You just need candlesticks and volume. And in fact, we're going to take it a step further. If you guys like that certain setup, we're going to make a free indicator that goes on TradingView that will alert you anytime that setup is forming. Is that chill? That's going to be my gift to you for hanging out in these streams with me and being all crazy like. But I'm going to give it to you. It's not going to be pitch and catch. No. It's going to be a candlestick and volume setup. And it's going to help you with your trades. And it's going to keep you tightly locked in a box that's going to keep you from doing those trades that keep blowing your accounts. It's going to keep you from doing those things that put you up in a situation that you don't want to be in, where you're fighting with your back up against the wall. And it's just going to cool things off for you. Okay? That's what's going to be coming next week. It might take a little bit of time, but if you join me on that first GLOBEX stream next week, I promise you, you're going to get some value from it. Okay? That's my promise to you. So everybody who journaled last week, I want you to continue journaling because you've obviously seen the results of that. You've seen how much it's improved your trading. If you didn't start journaling, if you're going to continue to watch these streams, do me a favor and journal so that we can all talk about it together, because that's part of the assignment next week. We talk about the setup that we're going to do. We're going to be journaling when the setup hit, when we took it, etc. So if you're not journaling yet, next week, it's time to start journaling. And if you don't feel like it tomorrow, the best way that you can get yourself to journal is do it on a Friday. Fridays are the hardest days to do anything. If you can journal on a Friday, you are levels above the traders that are next to you. So Monday GLOBEX or Tuesday GLOBEX, we're going to talk about this, okay? Is there any questions before I go? Because I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go spend some time with my wife. I'm going to get in the hot tub and relax my bones. What should journaling look like? That's a very good question. Journaling can look like anything that it needs to that makes sense to you. Now, I suggested that last week, all it needs to be is go to docs.google.com, docs.google.com. It's just going to give you a white piece of paper, white page. Just type in that and say, this is how my day went. Talk through your emotions. If you want to screenshot a setup and take that and put that in your journal, you can do that. But just make it very simple, right? Very simple. Levels indicator, available for free on TradingView. Rip's Key Levels. It's available for free. Okay? Available for free. So, with your journal, all you have to do, just write something that's easy for you to write. The thing about journaling is that you want to make it as easy as possible that you can repeat the process on a daily basis. If you're making journaling into a thing where you're sitting there and you're like, oh God, last thing I want to do is journal. I've had a red day. I feel like shit. This is the fucking worst thing in my life. I don't want to journal. You're never going to journal. Make it easy on yourself. And by God, I promise you, if you make it easy on yourself, you're going to do it more often. And you're going to start to expand on it. Start slow. I don't care if your journal is ate shit today, traded like a moron, wish I didn't do that, and you go and read it the next day and you kind of remember what you did, but you're like, fuck, that wasn't very descriptive. The next time you go and journal, you say, well, I took a short that was dead to rights. I had the right setup for it. It didn't work out. I chased my stop. I moved my stop. I ended up blowing my account. Okay, now we got more information. And the next time you read that, the next morning, you go back. Remember, part of the review is the next morning, you read your journal from the previous day. You read that, you get that information, you go, oh, you're in the same trade. Instead of moving your stop the next time, what's going to happen? Your brain's going to go, I don't want to do that mistake that I just did. What happens? You don't make the same mistake. You keep the account for longer. And before you know it, you write that. You say, hey, I didn't make the same mistake. Yes, I ended the day red, but a red day is better than a blown account. We talked about this last week. A red day is better than a blown account. So if you can continue to do all of these things over and over and over, what happens is your brain starts to transform a little bit by little bit and you stop doing the knuckleheaded shit. Like right now, I'm sitting here, I'm like, oh, what accounts can I trade? I traded accounts that, whatever. Moved on from them. Tomorrow, take it seriously. Trade those Lucid accounts, trade the TPT accounts, trade some Tradeify accounts. Just get it in there. Every single day, wake up, read the previous day journal. That's all you get to do. That's it. You wake up, you read it, you reflect on it, you go, okay, that's great. What you're going to find is you're going to have this perfect recipe of your own journal that's going to make sense to you. It doesn't have to be this stupidly long, extended thing, right? I used to do one-on-ones with people. I did back in the day. This was 3 years ago. I was doing one-on-ones with people. I would get journal entries from people and I'd look at them. Everybody's journal looked different, but it made sense to the person who was writing them. And that's all that matters. That's all you need. If it makes sense to you, that's all it takes. Nobody else is going to be reading your journals but you, unless you have a mentor or something like that. Nobody's going to be reading your journal but you. So just make it for you. Write it in shorthand, write it in longhand. All that matters is that the next day, if you can read your journal and it makes sense to you, you're going to improve. Because what's going to happen is you're going to create those little bonds in your brain that says, I'm not going to do this, or I'm going to lean into doing this. And that's what's going to help you along your journey. A lot of newer traders don't realize setups are a smaller part than you initially realize. In your trading journey, this is my 12th year, in your trading journey, when you start to get serious, you start to trade big size, what matters the most is what's going on up here. When I have a trade on and I'm in drawdown, the last thing I'm thinking about is what $10,000 could buy me, what $20,000 can buy me. And then I bang out a trade for 100 grand. I'm not thinking about, oh my God, I got to close this trade. I'm in 10K, 20K worth of drawdown. That's not how I think. Bang out the trade, make 5X whatever my drawdown is. Focus. You don't get to that level without a lot of emotional control. Yes, I still go on tilt. Yes, I still have bad days. Yes, I still have losing days. But the question I always ask myself the next day is, did I follow my system? Did I follow my system? And that is what you should be asking yourself in your journal. Did you follow your system? Did you do some knuckleheaded shit? In your first 2 years, you're going to be facing yourself with a lot of knuckleheaded shit, right? You're going to have a lot of decisions that you made. In hindsight, those decisions are going to look stupid. And that's okay. That's part of growing as a trader. If this was easy, right? Listen to me. If trading was easy, you wouldn't be able to make this much money trading. Think about what I'm saying. If trading was easy, it wouldn't pay this much if you were good at it. It would pay dog shit. You know why it pays so much? Because it's so fucking hard. And if you think that you can get by without journaling, without tapping into your emotions, without really reflecting on what the fuck you're doing day to day, you're wrong. It's very hard, and that's by design. If it was easy and your fucking neighbor could do it without even trying and fucking moonwalk into this shit, it wouldn't pay this much. There's no fucking job or no products company I've ever had or nothing in my life that has paid me as much as trading. Trading is fucking nuts when you nail it. So I want you to think about that when you're sitting there at the end of your session, you did some knuckleheaded shit and you go, no, I'm not going to journal. Well, guess what? You just robbed yourself of a great day of journaling. And you think that's okay? Oh, okay. You think the guy next to you who wants to be the best trader in the world, the guy next to you who's fighting for his life to make this work, isn't fucking journaling, isn't trying harder than you than that? You're going to sit there and tell me like, oh, whatever. I'm just going to finish my day and close my book and I'm going to walk away. Why? Do you really think that you're going to get by being lazy in this game? If that's what you think, then check the fuck out right now. Seriously, check the fuck out. Stop right now, because this game is not easy. You want to make it in the game of trading? You better buckle in, dude. It's very hard. Very hard. And I wish I could tell you after 12 years of doing this, I wake up every morning and I'm like, yes, I'm going to make money no matter what. Yeah, fucking right, dude. I wake up every single morning and I go, man, I really hope I don't fuck shit up today because it's going to be pricey if I do. That's real talk. Every single day. And you can sit here and you can listen to all the bullshit that's out there that people tell you, well, I got a daily loss limit, I got this, I got that. It takes one fucking phone call for me to call my broker and be like, hey, take all that shit off. Let's go. It's party town. Okay? We're people. We're humans. Humans make mistakes. I've made a lot of them in my trading career. I wish I could tell you 12 years into this that it gets easier. It doesn't, but it gets more manageable. It gets more manageable. You saw me make $3 million last year. You think that was easy? If I made it look easy, God bless. It wasn't easy. It was hard. Every fucking day that I traded, every single day that I put on a contract, it was hard. 12 years into this. Where are you in your journey? Where are you in your journey right now? And you're sitting here and you're saying, I don't want to journal. Think about that. Okay, think about that tonight. Think about what you're doing. Think about what your path is. I love y'all. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. Hope you'll join me. I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give you more of this. I promise you. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Love y'all. Be good. Be safe. Take care. Bye-bye. See ya.